Hi, this is Emily from Group 2 for Education 312, Culture and Diversity, and this is our Part 1 for our semester project. So the background of this entire project basically is that there are times when students have a hard time understanding what is acceptable and unacceptable in the class setting with diversity. Students that do not think twice about what they are going to say can cause the classroom atmosphere to be very uncomfortable. Some of these situations may occur in history classes when different religion, races, and lifestyles are taught. This is basically the background that we chose for our topic in our semester project. Our scenario is that in a 4th grade history class, a Muslim girl had been called out for her headpiece by a boy in the class. He was making rude comments about her religion and was making up reasons for why she had to wear the hijab, which is the headwear, which is what the headwear is called. These rude comments made some students chuckle. The Muslim girl's friends tried to defend her, but the class was getting out of hands to the point where the Muslim girl began to cry and asked the teacher if she could be excused to the bathroom. And the lesson plan that the teacher had provided for that day is, the topic is different religions around the world, and this is for grades 4 and 5th. For our scenario, we picked 4th grade. But the objective of the lesson was to help students understand and be informed on other religious customs, for students to appreciate religious and cultural diversity inside and outside the classroom, and for students to find unity in a classroom of different cultures, customs, and religion. And these are the steps the teacher will take or had to take for the lesson. And the first step was to have the class split into 4 to 5 groups and have each group pick a religion to study for 20 to 25 minutes with the reading materials provided by the teacher. And these are some of the books that we listed. What Do You Believe by DK Publishing, The Kids Book of World Religions by Jennifer Glossop. Step 2 is to have the classroom come together again, and each group will give a 3 to 5 minute or 5 interesting facts that they learned about the religion. The teacher can also modify it based on how much time is left or how much time each class period is given by however long that they can stand in front of the class and speak. The last step is to discuss as a class how religious diversity is important and can be helpful in a community. Discuss how being different or having different belief customs is a positive thing and should be something to celebrate. And so obviously in our situation where the boy makes the rude comment, comes in between steps 2 and 3. It could be happening during 2 when the group is presenting, but it could also be happening in step 3. How does this lesson help this situation? By discussing religions and including Islam in that discussion, the students can better understand why the Muslim girl wears a hijab and her other customs. They can then appreciate the way she expresses her beliefs and celebrate religious diversity. This is obviously what the teacher is hoping for. Classrooms don't always go the way the teacher wants them to. Rude comments that students make is something we can't always control, and so that is one comment the situation that we chose. And that is it. Thank you.